Hey there and welcome. If you've ever spent hours designing something beautiful in Canva, only to end up with a blurry image when you try to print or share it, this video is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix blurry Canva images, and more importantly, how to create stunning, high-quality digital prints that are set to 300 dpi. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to export crisp, professional artwork every time. Let's dive right in. First, open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's very intuitive. You can either start with a fresh login or simply head over to canva.com. Now, to make sure we're working with an image that has the correct dimensions and resolution, click on the Create a Design button you'll see near the top right. Instead of choosing a template, select Custom Size. This is an often overlooked step, but it's crucial because you want complete control over your design's proportions. Let's set the custom size to 100 by 100 pixels for this example. You might be thinking, wait, isn't that pretty small? Yes, it is quite tiny, but this step is just for demonstration. In real-world use, you can input whatever size matches your goal, maybe 3000 by 4000 pixels for a big print. The key takeaway here is, by starting with a custom size, you're making sure Canva doesn't compress or stretch your image in unexpected ways. Once you've set your custom size, click to create your new design. Now you're looking at a blank canvas ready to fill with your artwork or photo. If you've already got a blurry image, let's upload it now. Just find the Uploads section on the left, select your file, and drop it onto your canvas. For this demonstration, though, let's grab a sample image directly from Canva's Elements tab. Search for any graphic or photo you like and drag it right over. Now here, where we make the magic happen. If you're creating high-quality digital prints, you want Canva to process your files at the highest resolution possible. So once your design is ready, look up to the top right corner and hit that Share button. From here, select Download and you'll be given a few options. This is a crucial step. Instead of downloading as a PNG or JPEG, switch the file type to PDF print. This option tells Canva to export the file in a format perfect for printing, and most importantly, it boosts the resolution automatically to 300 dpi. If you're planning to send this design off to a professional printer, make sure you choose the CMYK color profile. CMYK is the standard color mode for physical prints, and it ensures your colors come out vibrant and true to what you see on screen. If you're just creating digital images, maybe for your website or for sharing on social media, then select the RGB color profile, which is optimized for screens. And that's honestly it. Canva does all the heavy lifting in the background. Once you've downloaded your PDF print file, your image will be sharp, vibrant, and ready to use. No more blurry results. It's really that simple, but don't worry if some of these options are new to you. Play around and you'll quickly get comfortable. If you have questions or you ever notice unexpected results, feel free to pause and try again with different settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Canva tutorials and digital design tips just like this one. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.